In this video, I'll show you how to make a book cover. I use different papers, but for today's video, I'll be using just pink wrapping paper for a composition book. For this, you're gonna need a piece of paper that is just a little bit bigger than your project on each side, with about 1 to 2 inches on each side. And on this side it's a little bit more than what I need, so I'll cut some of this paper. So my paper is already cut. I'll put the notebook or book or whatever you're wrapping in the middle, so each side have about the same size of leftover paper. And I'll open one side of the book and we'll start to work with the front cover. For this, I'll cut a little bit of the paper, just about half to 1 inch from the space of the spine of the book or whatever you're gonna wrap. And I'll fold the paper. Same on the other side and on the top as well. Cutting just a little piece. And folding it as close as you can to the book cover. And then folding it the other side. Like this. If you want more or less paper on this side, you can decide how much you're gonna keep. So I'll cut a little bit here. So after I cut here and here, whatever was left over, I'm going to cut the top and the bottom piece, which we cut like about half to 1 inch away from the book spine. And cut on the other side as well. I will just fold it as if you're wrapping a gift present, and one more time, and check if that's good, long enough for you. For me this works. So you can either glue the corners with some hot glue or school glue or add a piece of tape to keep these pieces of the corner paper together. Like this. And this is how it looks on the inside. This is how it looks on the outside. At this point, if you like to decorate with any stickers or anything that you would like, feel free to do it. This works for me. So thank you for watching. If you like to support my channel, please give a like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.